Hi peeps, I ordered something from Amazon. So let me show you what I have ordered and what is the price and the accessories for that. So this is what I've ordered. It has few accessories in that and the price of this headphone is 3299. So without any delay, let's unbox the product. This is black color glossy box. The packing is really good. Let's say the product is really looks great, the quality wise. Let me try. What do you think? I think this is comfortable, and if it's not fitting for the people, you can also adjust it. It is an adjustable headphones. So let's see what we've got in the accessories. So we have one more box. I really like the packing, and black is my favorite color. And see, they have given the C pin for the charge purpose, and we've got the aux cable. So here goes. Let me connect it and check. So we've got the connection point down here. As you can see, they have given the buttons to increase the volume and decrease the volume. Here is a mute button and this is the play button. So to connect the Bluetooth, if you long press, it will activate and you can connect to the phone. So I will connect it to my phone and check. So the best part is like the quality is so good and the packing is so good, and we've got the accessories like the charging cable and the aux cable which we connect to the headphones. When it comes to the disadvantage, it's not working both the sides if I wear the cable and listen, and in the Bluetooth it's all fine and the sound quality is good. So that's the review and unboxing about the G Plus headphones. It looks so cool though. I would rate this product 7 out of 10, guys. So please stay tuned to my upcoming videos and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.